don't know.
Yeah.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, it's just gonna be an easy install video, girl. Like, I'm just gonna be putting on this wig, and it is a closure wig, a legitimate closure wig. I feel like I haven't had one of these closure wigs in a minute. So this wig that I have on right now, like I said, is a closure wig, 4x4, 180% density. This is actually a water wave texture. To me, it's a little bit more on the curlier side than what I'm used to getting from like a water wave texture, but this is their water wave texture, you guys. This is what you're gonna get. It's 24 inches, it's true to length. So definitely, as I was installing this hair, it is literally more on the coarser textured side. It is not like that light, airy, fluffy type of unit. It's not that, which is not necessarily a bad thing. It's just what you prefer. So for me, I really like light, airy, and fluffy units. Don't get me wrong, every once in a while I do love a really coarse textured unit, especially curly. So it's really your preference of what you want and how you want your textures to feel like. Another thing that I found out is that when you are plucking the lace on your closure, be very careful. It is super easy to over pluck. I didn't do like a crazy amount of over plucking, but literally like, I don't, you guys can tell I didn't try to finesse it because I really want you guys to see, but it's so fixable. All you have to do is get black eyeshadow, a makeup brush, and just dab it on, and it just, bam, like that, it's covered up. I'm not sure if all of their lace is like this, but if you are thinking about getting this wig, just be mindful of that. The density is good. I'm having to like finger comb it more and more, which is creating this frizz right here. So I would highly suggest going ahead and using a curl enhancing smoothie on this unit, and I'm going to be doing that in my next video. And you know, I'm going to really be testing out to see if I can put a curl enhancing smoothie on here and keep the volume. So that's my biggest thing that I want to figure out, because y'all know I love big hair. So make sure the notification bell is on, or you press it, you do whatever. Okay, subscribe to my channel, you don't want to miss my videos. I also kind of want, I don't know, no, I'm gonna keep the length because I was thinking about cutting it, because I feel like, I don't know. I don't know. I think after I go ahead and use a curl enhancing smoothie to define the curls, I'm gonna really get the gist of if I'm really feeling this unit, because right now I'm like so about it. Alright you guys, so that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this quick little install video and getting into this closure wig. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all lovelies out in the next one. Bye.